How's it TOB family? Welcome to yet another episode of our weekly videos. Now we're diving straight into today's subject, which is a review of the Edifier WH700NB noise cancelling wireless over-ear headphones. That's a mouthful. Now if you're looking for a blend of style, comfort and sound quality, then you want to stick around till the end of this video because we have a lot to cover. Let's go. This is the Edifier WH700NB noise cancellation wireless over-ear headphones. It was launched in August of 2003. It comes in 4 colors: black, white, blue and grey. Price on this one 1,049 rands, which is equivalent to $57 US. Features it boasts of include the Bluetooth 5.3, 68 hours playtime without the active noise cancelling and 45 hours with the active noise cancelling, 2 hours of charge time, active noise cancellation, environmental noise cancellation for the mic, dual device connection, ambient sound mode, low latency game mode, and the Edifier Connect app. I call this one mid-range specs. Now without much ado, let's unbox this, shall we? Let's go. So when you open the box, this is what you'd get: a warranty card and a manual, a USB Type-C charging cable, and last but not least, the Edifier WH700NB wireless noise cancellation over-ear headphones. I like saying it like that. The entire headset is made with plastic, foam and pleather. It is flexible, very simple design, and a few joints that allow you to fold the headset. It's got a decent adjustment to fit different head sizes. The cushion of the headset rests well on your head with zero pressure to you. It is very comfortable, flexible and lightweight. The earmuffs are made with pleather and foam just like the headband. Your ears will fit nicely with no discomfort, so you can keep it on for a long time. The controls are located on the right ear cup and they include a mic, a USB Type-C charging port, a Bluetooth activation button, a volume down button, on and off power button, and a volume up button. Let's do a fit test and see how comfortable it really is. Come on. Now when you put it on, the first thing you notice is how lightweight it is. It is very comfortable and super lightweight. It covers your ears and it's got the right tension to keep it from falling off your head, but not enough to make you uncomfortable, if you know what I mean. You can work out with this for sure, but maybe not something vigorous like boxing, but you can definitely run with these. The noise cancelling is effective, almost shuts out sound completely. If comfort is something you value when seeking to buy a headset, this is a great choice. Let's pair them to my phone. Come on. Let us pair these and see how easy it is to do and how fast we can do it. Okay, first of all, we're going to turn on the headset. Right there, and the indicator light comes on, so it immediately goes into a pairing mode. So what you do next is to go to your Bluetooth settings and you search for a device right there, the Edifier WH700NB. There we go, and just like that it is paired. Now that took all of what, 5 seconds, 10 seconds at the most. Yeah, very easy to pair. I like it when a device just, cooperates with you and pairs. It's simple and easy. All right, what we're going to do next, we're going to look into the app, what it provides and what we can do with this headset. Let's go. Now to download the app, all you need to do is go into your Play Store, either your Google Play Store or your iOS Store, and download the Edifier Connect app. Or you could just scan the QR code here on the side of the box, and it will take you to where you can download the app. All right, I've taken the liberty of downloading mine, and here we go, the Edifier Connect app. It pops open, and immediately it identifies the headset quite easily too. Now the first thing that catches my eye looking at the app is this option that says soothing sounds. Now this is for people who have a problem with sleeping without noise. Some people need some kind of background noise for them to sleep. This helps. So all you have to do is choose your options. We've got loads of them. Choose your option and put the headphone on and go to sleep. Here we've got 3 options for the noise cancellation. We've got noise cancellation, we've got ambient sound, and we've got noise cancellation off. So that's how you can, work the noise cancellation. If you don't want it, switch it off, or you can just put on ambient sound so that there is noise cancellation, but there's a bit of outside noise seeping through, so you can at least still hear your surroundings while you enjoy some quiet time with your headphones. Or you just put on noise cancellation altogether and shut everything out. Yeah. Let's see what the options we have here. Let's go to here, settings, and here we've got control settings. Or you've got the options to fix your controls the way you want them to be, and you're using the multifunction key, which is this right here, right there, the one in the middle where you're supposed to switch on and off. Yes, so use that key and you'll be able to set up things the way you want it to be. Quite easy. We've got a volume prompt here. So this how loud you want your headset to actually be. You can set it up and it will not go louder than that option, no matter what. Cool. Yeah, power off, on, shutdown timer. Now the shutdown timer is for you to save your battery power for a case when you forgot to switch it off after use. After some time that you set, it will switch off on its own. That's cool. All right, let's see what we can do with sound. There we've got some options here, only 4. We've got classic, pop, classical, and rock. I don't see any option for you to make your own, for you to create your own EQ settings. So these are the 4 that you'd have to, 4 presets that you'd have to use for your audio settings. So you can choose the classical, pop, you choose the classic, pop, and classical, and rock. Those are the only options you have. You cannot create your own EQ settings with this app. Wow, that's a disappointment, but hey, let's move on. This is your game settings. You can switch on a game mode and off and on. So usually these settings will help you with latency when it comes to your gaming, so that the sound from the game matches with what you hear on your headphones. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. This is a quick look through of the app. There isn't much to it. I think it needs a little bit more work. I think it needs more options. The fact that you don't have an EQ settings for you to be able to, you don't have the ability to set up your own EQ settings, I think that is a problem. But otherwise, I think the app needs a little bit more work. But here, let's enjoy these ones and see if these are enough for us. But like I said, it needs more work. All right, we are going to do a sound test right now, and then I'll come back and tell you exactly what it sounds like. Here we go. After listening to that for a little bit, this is what I think. Great sound. Very, very good separation of sound. It is very clear and crisp. No distortions at any level. No distortions at all, whether high or low. It is very, very good. I must tell you, this is the best Edifier product I've used so far. All the Edifiers I've done, if you go through the playlist, you see a few of them. This so far has been the best I have used. It was very, very good sound, very clear. If you're a bass head, you're going to love this one. If you're not a bass head too, you're going to love it. Seriously, it is really, really good. I am astonished. Wow, very good. I like it. Worth every penny. If you're buying this, get it. Okay, it's been 3 days of steady use of these headphones, and these are my observations. 1. Bluetooth connection, very steady at 10 meters. Anything past that, and then you start having problems. Battery power, I got 65 hours without the noise cancelling, and I got 41 hours with the noise cancelling. So maybe it's the way I used it, I don't know, but it's kind of close to what's on the box. So yeah. Charge time 2 hours. Call quality very good. Here's what it sounds like. How's it TOB family? This is a mic test of the Edifier WH700NB noise cancelling wireless over-ear headphones, and this is what it sounds like. It is clear and crisp in my opinion, but you be the judge. Leave a comment telling me what you think about the quality of sound. Let's continue. Another thing I don't like is the pleather. It seems to me like it will break and peel off over time, and then it'll look real ugly. That is just how it comes across to me. I could be wrong, but I think over time we'll find out, right? Yes. One more thing that I don't like, and the last one, the app. The app needs more work. Yes, granted, the presets that are on the app, they're good sounds. I personally love the acoustic sound. It is good. But I think if you make an app, please give people the opportunity to be able to set their own equalizer settings. That should come standard. If you're making an app, that should come standard. If you don't have an app, okay. Yes, it's nice, your presets and everything are nice, but people need that ability to be able to select what they want. If you watched the video up to the end, I want to say a big thank you. I appreciate you. If you're new to this channel, click on the subscribe button and like the videos and turn on the notification bell so when the videos put out, you'll be the first to know. And you, for the guys that have been with me from the beginning, please click on the like button and please leave a comment also. I want to know what you think about these videos. I want to know what you think about the channel. So leave a comment in the comment section. Till next time, take care.